Welcome back aspirants on MacTech 40, and today we will solve one question based on production planning, okay, that has been asked in ESC 2020 mains. So the question is the number of hours in a working day of a company, okay, that is 8 hour, and this is the data given for a one manufacturing unit. Number of working days per month, that are 25, and number of operator is only one operator, and the standard time per unit production. That means standard time means the total time, machining time plus as well as the surplus time, and generally in industry it is also known as cycle time. Okay, so this time means the minimum time required for complete production of one unit. So here in this case 22 minute is a machining time and 8 minute is a operator time. Operator time means the time required for loading and unloading the job on the machine, the cleaning and inspection. Okay, all these things are within 8 minutes. So total time is 30 minutes. That means for one unit of production it will require 30 minutes. So based on this there are three cases. That is, the first case we will discuss is if the plant is operated at 75% efficiency and the operator is working at 100% efficiency. So that this is some here there will be some confusion for some students, but let me clear you. And what is the output for the per month we have to find. So whenever it is written that the overall efficiency of the plant, that means it associated with production, or you can say that number of products produced, number of products. Okay, and if the individual efficiency is given, then it will we will tell us the individual's efficiency. Okay, suppose it is said that if the plant is running at 100% efficiency, then there will be 100 products per month. Okay, this is for example. But if the plant is operated at 75% overall efficiency, that means only 75 units produced per month in that plant. Okay, this is the meaning. So here in our case the total time, as you have seen in the data, the total time, first case I am writing here with the blue ink. First case overall efficiency, that is 75% overall plant efficiency, and operator efficiency is 100%. That means what happens, the machining time is same. Okay, so the total time, so the time for one production, total time for one unit, that is the regular time 30 minutes. So we can say that in 30 minutes one unit is produced. So in one month how many minutes the plant is running. Okay, so in one month there are 25 days working days, 8 is the number of working hours, and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So just by using the interpolation, that is in 30 minutes there are one unit. And if 25 unit, sorry 25 hours, sorry my mistake, 25 days and 8 hours a day, how many production, that is 25, 8 multiplied by 60 divided by 30, so it will be 32, and 50 into 8 that is 400 unit. Okay, 400 unit, but at 100% efficiency. Here overall plant efficiency is given to us 75%. That means 400 of 75% of 400. So what we can write is 3 by 4, 75% we can write. So it will be, when you solve this, it will be 300 unit. This is the final answer. Okay, 300 unit is the first production of first unit. Now in second case it is said that the machine productivity is increased by 10% and all other existing level parameters will be same. So what will be the output per month? That means here the plant is operated at 100% efficiency, operator is also working at 100% efficiency, that means 8 minutes it will take. Okay, but machine productivity is increased by 10%, that means the cycle time for machining that will be reduced by 10%. We can say that if the productivity is increased by 10%, so then the total production time for the second, in the second case, the machining time mt I am writing here, it will be 0.9 times because productivity is increased 10 times. So we can say that that 10% decrease in the standard time, machining time, that is zero point 0.9 of 22, that is 19.8 minute, that is the standard time for machining. So in second case I am writing with green. In second case, the total time for one product, total time per unit, that will be machining time mt plus operator time I am writing as a ot. Okay, machining time is here what, 19.8 minute plus operator time is 8 minute, so total time is 27.8 minute per unit. So we can say that by interpolation, in 27.8 minute one unit is produced. So in 25 days and 8 hours per day, how many units are produced? So by interpolation, you can say that 431, when you do the interpolation, you will get 431.65 units. So nearly 431. Why not 0.65? Because no product has been complete. When the product is said the complete or output, all the operations are completed. Here 0.65 means the last 432nd of product will be 65% completed. So we will take nearmost value, that is 431 unit. This is the answer of second question. Now the third one is I am writing in yellow. So what is the in third condition? It is given that if the operator efficiency is reduced by 20%, that means now operator will consume more time. Okay, the operator will consume more time. So what happened in this case? We have to increase the total operation time, sorry, operator time 8 minutes. Okay, multiply by 1.2. Okay, so here uh, operator efficiency is reduced by 20%, so it will consume more time. So 1 point, sorry, it's my mistake. So we have to divide with 0.8. Okay, so it will take more time. 8 minutes is the standard time, divided by 0.8. So 8 divided by 0.8, that is 10. Okay, that means the operator efficiency is 20% reduced. So we can say that it is a 10 minute. Okay, because and in general interpolation you can write like this. Okay, like this. If the 8 minute is a standard time, so what is the 20% of 8 minutes? 20%, that is 1 point something. Okay, so here it will consume more time. Its efficiency is zero point 0.8 now, so we have to divide with efficiency. Okay, to get, because it will consume more time. So now it will consume 10 minutes instead of 8, it will consume 10 minutes. Okay, so total time, that is A machining time is regular hour 22 minutes, no affected. Now here it is 10 minutes. So total time is 32 minutes. Okay. And when you do the interpolation, that means 32 minutes for one unit. So 25 days in a month and 8 hours a day and 60 minutes per hour. It will take how much? So you will find as a 375 units. So this is the answer of three questions. Okay. So here it is a comparison type. So so the plant operator, sorry, the manager, or take which decision, like to operate the plant at 100% level, or to increase the efficiency, or to increase the operator efficiency. Okay. So this is for today. Tomorrow we will see some other type of example. So till then, keep studying, stay focused.